Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, you can see that we have to disable wallpapers on the home and lock screen, and to change the lock screen wallpaper we should first launch the settings application and then tap on the wallpaper and style section. Then click here to change wallpaper, and now we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos. Previously just taken in our device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also we can use the default pictures in our device wallpapers, default wallpapers. For example, to use one from this wallpaper, just select it and then tap here to lock screen. How you can see how that will be on the lock screen, tap on the right down corner and click the lock screen. After that, let's just lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper on our Google Pixel device. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first hold for a while your device screen and then tap here to wallpaper and style, and after that by the same way click here to change wallpaper and select one from these available wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. We can just select the just side of the wallpaper, tap to see how that will look on the lock screen. You can change it, for example, if you want. I'll stay with this one, tap to OK and select, not home but lock screen. Okay, let's once again go here, and for example, let's use the textures. Let's go with this one, tap to select and select lock screen. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.